So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to move up to the top half of this gray portion of our actual airports tab. So first thing I'm going to do is right next to KPRB, we see that little picture of our taxi diagram, right? If we click on that little picture, we notice how it blows it up and it'll give us kind of a quick view of it. And this will help us out when we're trying to identify certain runways or certain points or things like that. If we click on these 4 arrows that are going out, it will take it full screen and move it over automatically to our plates tab, okay? But if we go back to airports, all right, we'll see it's back to normal. If we go here again, that fancy version, if we click on 3D view, what this is going to do is it's going to pop up a 3D version of the airport. All right, we can zoom in, of course. We can move about. We can move how we want to see it. If, for example, we knew that we were going to want to fly into runway 19, we see in that top right section, if we click on 19, it'll actually give us the view of what it'll look like from runway 19, right? And we can actually kind of visualize this. That might be what it looks like when you're coming into an approach for runway 19, okay? We can even go ahead and close out on that, but it's basically giving us, as we see, if we start zooming in, it'll give us that. Basically, this is what it might look like from 1,672 feet and basically 1,900 feet from the runway. That's what you might be expecting to see, something like that, okay? So this is, again, in the Pro feature, so of course you don't need that, but so we'll close that. Then from here, we, of course, know we have our taxiways. So we have taxiways here. Any nearby airports, comments, what we look at when we talk about comments, these are actual people, other Foreflight users that are adding comments in here and saying, great airport, no tie downs or overnight fees, just park wherever there are tie downs, all right? Maybe this person saying, ended up here after weather kept us from Oceano, so beautiful runways and much clearer for June gloom, all right? So these are comments that people are actually leaving on the airport itself. All right, any other remarks that might be there? And that's not necessarily useful for you guys right here, but any comments, that's kind of cool. And if you say you need to go over there and your plane has an issue while you're on your way there, these are any type of services. So we see we have an FBO there, the phone number, and how much they're selling their gas for, okay? So